I believe that people make their own luck by great preparation and good strategy. You can't heal what you don't acknowledge. As for real chicken soup, I have it once or twice a week. Self-esteem is made up primarily of two things: feeling lovable and feeling capable. Greater self-esteem produces greater success, and greater success produces more high self-esteem, so it keeps on spiraling up. I believe people should live full lives and not settle for anything less. Don't worry about failures, worry about the chances you miss when you don't even try. Your habits will determine your future. Repetition is the key to real learning. The biggest rewards in life are found outside your comfort zone. Live with it. Fear and risk are prerequisites if you want to enjoy a life of success and adventure. Remember, there is no perfect time for anything. There is only now. Most everything that you want is just outside your comfort zone. What others think about you is none of your business. People who don't have goals work for people who do. For every reason it's not possible, there are hundreds of people who have faced the same circumstances and succeeded. If you want something different, you are going to have to do something different. Successful people maintain a positive focus in life no matter what is going on around them. Good or bad, habits always deliver results. Decide what it is you want, write it down, review it constantly, and each day do something that moves you toward those goals. Clarify your purpose. What is the why behind everything you do? When we know this in life or design, it is very empowering and the path is clear. Don't waste your life believing you can't. If it ain't fun, don't do it. There is only one person responsible for the quality of life you live, and that person is you. Vague goals produce vague results. Gratitude is the single most important ingredient to living a successful and fulfilled life. Practice random acts of kindness and senseless acts of beauty. Everything valuable takes time, there are no overnight successes. To achieve your dreams, work is required. Suffering is optional. If we are not a little bit uncomfortable every day, we are not growing. All the good stuff is outside our comfort zone. The law of attraction states that whatever you focus on, think about, read about, and talk about intensely, you're going to attract more of into your life. Do it, delegate it, delay it, or dump it. Success isn't magic or hocus pocus, it's simply learning how to focus. What have you done for yourself this year to create a better life? Everything you want is out there waiting for you to ask. Everything you want also wants you. But you have to take action to get it. Whatever goal you give to your subconscious mind, it will work night and day to achieve. There are essentially two things that will make you wise: the books you read and the people you meet. To change bad habits, we must study the habits of successful role models. You don't have to get it perfect, you just have to get it going. Babies don't walk the first time they try, but eventually they get it right. Jump, then grow wings on the way down. High self-esteem isn't a luxury. It's a necessity for anyone who has important goals to achieve. You must take responsibility for removing "I can't" from your vocabulary. The things that bring you the greatest joy are in alignment with your purpose. I believe in unconditional love and equality. Jesus Christ exemplified these qualities. Don't kid yourself. Be honest with yourself. Take your own inventory. When you truly are on purpose, the people, resources, and opportunities you need naturally gravitate toward you. What if you, too, were to greet every interaction in your life with the question, what's the potential opportunity that this is? Never quit. My book, Chicken Soup for the Soul, was turned down by 33 publishers. It's since sold millions of copies. You become like the people you spend the most time with. To achieve major success in life, to achieve those things that are most important to you, you must assume 100% responsibility for your life. Nothing less will do. The world doesn't pay you for what you know, it pays you for what you do. When you think you can't, revisit a previous triumph. If you don't like your outcomes, change your responses. Everything you want also wants you. Reject rejection. If someone says no, just say next. Most of us have never allowed ourselves to want what we truly want because we can't see how it's going to manifest. The formula is simple: do more of what is working, do less of what isn't, and try on new behaviors to see if they produce better results. Remember, it is not about luck. It is about doing the right things the right way. Remember, what you continually talk about, comes about. Subscribe our channel for more success and motivational videos.